The ability to track and manage your most important business relationships is provided through a rich new feature called Connections in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011. By leveraging Connections, you can maximize the value of your business networks and manage relationships with critical stakeholders such as customers, partners, vendors, and influencers. Let's take a closer look at this new capability. When we click Connections, we immediately see our relevant relationships and the dates they are applicable. In this example, we're working on a complex sales opportunity in which multiple stakeholders need to be engaged. We can see that connections exist between an account, two contacts, and an opportunity. Let's drill into the opportunity to gain additional insight. Here we can see that connections are listed for two people involved with this opportunity: the legal counsel and the decision maker. This insight will help us customize our sales pitch and maximize our impact while working on this opportunity. Next, let's look for connections at the account level by clicking Daring Rides. We learned that two of our contacts have connections to this account because they are former employees. With Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011, we can establish connection roles to define associations between different types of records. Let's begin the process by defining a connection role between employer and employee. When we select Employer, we see the account record type is selected, indicating that the employer role can only be assigned to an account. Next, let's click the matching connection role, the Employee. As we scroll down, we see a number of record types that can be selected for the employee connection role, including contact, lead, and user. The naming conventions for these connection roles are flexible so that we can specify roles based on the specific needs of our organization. For example, in a sales scenario, we might define the specific role of a board member, while in a service scenario, we might specify the role of support representative. Now let's take a look at another way to discover connections associated between entities in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011. Starting in the Advanced Find window, we can query the connections that exist in our Microsoft Dynamics CRM system. For example, let's say we run a human resources organization and we need to send information to all former employees of Daring Rides. Now, we simply specify that we want to find all individuals with a connection to Daring Rides. And with just a few clicks, we've generated our list of former employees of Daring Rides. In this demo, you've seen how an organization can easily track and manage its most important business relationships by using connections, a rich new feature in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011.